Hello guys, today I will restore this first brake light and I will show you that you can make from this. So for the restoration you're gonna need some sandpapers. I'm going to use 80 grit and 400 grit, but you can use whatever you have. And I'm gonna use a clear varnish, but make sure that you buy some with UV resistant so the plastic won't get yellow over some time and it will last long. And you can restore it on the car or you can remove it by these two screws. And I'm going to remove it so it will make the job a lot easier for me. So to unscrew these two screws I will use T25. After that I will carefully pull it out, slide it to the left, and now I will unclip the electrician. Before that it's good to unclip the cable. So, and the water hose and the light is out. And what I recommend is taking pictures of it, because here you can see there are some OEM numbers and it's not bad to have them in case you mess it up or you want to buy a new light. And now what I'm going to do is unclip the light bulbs, because I'm going to wet sand it and I don't want the water to be near the light bulbs. So you want to press these tabs on this light like so and don't touch them. So put the light bulbs carefully aside, and now what I'm going to do is push this water hose, something plastic, out so I can paint it black so it looks nice, because the paint looks faded, but when I look at the other cars the color is same on every car and I don't like it. It seems like faded, so I will just carefully push it away. So I'm left with only the plastic, so I will start with P80. So here's the rough surface of the brake light, and now I'm going to use finer sandpapers and I will do it under the water. So here's the result after sanding it with 80 grit and wet sanding it with 400 grit. Meanwhile it's drying, I will use a scuff pad to make the surface more rough so the paint will stick better to it. And I also use the scuff pad to rough the screws. So when it's everything prepared, let's go and tape it. So here's the brake light prepared for painting, and good thing to do is before painting, especially when it's cold outside, put the hottest water you can get from your sink and put it in some glass or whatever and put the spray into it so it's nice and warm. And after you put the spray can out, don't forget to wipe it down so you don't get any water on the results. And before using any paint, read the instructions. So after prepping everything, cleaning with a alcohol, sanding it and everything dry, I can use the clear varnish and I will do 2 or 3 coats. I will see, and let's go. And now I will wait 10-15 minutes and I will put another coat. And now I will let it dry for some time, then I will take it to another garage and then I can paint black the rest. I'm sorry guys for the lighting, it's not good, I know, but it's the same process as painting everything else with color. And like before, read the instructions on the spray can and I will do 2 to 3 coats. So here are the results. And after I remove the tape you can see that it's gray and a little bit of the original color. And I mean it will be like this, so you hardly will see it, but I still want to paint it black, and for that and now it looks like this. You can see that there's a orange peel, but I don't really mind, So I will now just use this, but you don't have to, but I want to polish it and put a layer of protection, rub it in circular motions. So now I will put the plastic thing back, and before putting it back I must push the labels back in, and now I can plug it in, push the cables to the clips, put back the hose like so, and now slide it back in and screw it back in. And here's the finished result.